In the early morning light, workmen gather steady sight, drilling down through rock and stone, searching where the truth is grown. Every echo underground reveals secrets long unfound. What we seek is out of view, hidden depths that call us through. Digging deeper day by day, facing what's beneath the clay. Riches rise when hearts persist, courage meets the darkest mist. Courage meets the darkest mist. Hands are steady, voice is clear, working with both skill and fear. Every risk and every choice comes from listening to that voice. Searching not for gold alone, but the truth we call our own. What we find can shape our way, guiding us through night and day. Digging deeper day by day, facing what's beneath the clay. Riches rise when hearts persist, courage meets the darkest mist. Courage meets the darkest mist.